Alright, let's get started and get Java set up on our computer. So the first thing is let's open up a browser, and then I'm going to say download Java. Okay, so this will take me to a link, and I'm going to go to the Oracle site here. So Oracle owns Java, so I'm going to click this link, and we want the Java Standard Edition, so I'm going to follow this link, and at the time of this recording we're at 1.8. So get whatever is the latest version. We want to accept the license agreement, and then whichever operating system you have, make sure to select that corresponding download. I have a Windows 64-bit machine, so I'm going to download this for myself. And this will take a moment, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, finished installing, so click this and follow the prompts to install Java on your computer. And that will take a moment, follow the prompts and follow the default location and so forth, and we'll come back when this is done. Let's hit next. Development tools, that's good. And I'm going to pause this and we'll come back when this is done. Okay, I've installed Java, and just to verify, I'm going to open up a Windows Explorer, and it would place JDK, Java, on the C drive, program files, and Java. So I have an older version on here, which is what I'm using, but you should see JDK 1.8 and JRE 1.8, and then whatever version of Java that you installed. So the one that I just installed is 144. The one I've previously had was 121. Okay, so now that we have Java installed, the next thing we need to do is actually configure our computer to read Java. So for example, if we run the command prompt, okay, and I type in here, if I type in here Java space dash version, then the console prints to me what version of Java I have, which is 1.8.0.1144. That's what version that we are reading of Java. So if you have this show up, then you're good to go. But if, for example, you have something like, and this is a typo, but if you don't have Java, then you would, when you type in Java-version, you would say Java is not recognized as an internal command. So if this is your result when you type in Java-version, that means it's not reading Java. So how do we fix that? Very easily, we want to go to the control panel. Oops, it's over here. And from the control panel, we want to go to System, and then Advanced System Settings. So this is the hierarchy here: Control Panel, System, Advanced System Settings, and Environment Variables. Okay, so there's two things that we need to do. Let me open up Notepad here. So once we download Java, we need to create a new Java home variable, and that is, when you're in the environment variables, you want to create a new system variable, and that's going to, see, I already have it on here. So what you want to type in is a new Java_home, and the variable value is going to be the path that includes the JDK folder of what we just installed. So this is our path where we just installed, for example, JDK. So you want to include this directory inside your variable value, and then your name is going to be Java_home. Okay, so we want a variable value, use path of Java JDK folder. Okay, the second thing is we need to modify the path, and to that we want to scroll down to path and edit, and at the very end type a semicolon. Now go back to your Windows Explorer and then go inside the bin folder of your JDK, and so this is the path you want to include at the very end of your system variable. But see, I already have it, so I'm going to hit cancel, but this is what it should look like right here. You should have the JDK/bin. Hit cancel. Okay, so use path of JDK/bin folder. Okay, now when you do that, hit OK, you modify the path, you create the new Java variable. Then when you come back to the command prompt, then you again should be able to do Java space dash version, and then you should see the version of Java that you just installed on your computer. So if you have this, then you're good to go with writing Java programs on your computer.